Hello everyone. So today we are going to start our next class that should be dream high. Okay. So what does it mean dream high? Means we should always dream high for our good progress. So let's start. Dreaming high is good for progress. You must dream high. When you dream high, you think about you can achieve the highest. Thus, you are motivated to do more and more work. You attempt to achieve great heights. When you achieve a certain height, you again dream higher. Thus, you rise again. This way, step by step, you reach the zenith. Means we should always think about high. We should always dream high so that we can achieve the highest thing in the world and we can reach the zenith, means our last destination. Just let's have an example of Sushant. He was a dull student in the beginning. His mother motivated him to experience the joy of beginning at the top. She often gave him the example of Akshat, who always stood at the top in his class. Slowly, Sushant started dreaming higher. Accordingly, he started working hard too. He started studying one lesson a day. The following day, he would revise the answers of that lesson. Thus he prepared well. Now preparing lessons regularly become his habit. Means there was a dull student named Susant who doesn't like to study and don't even learn anything. But his mother motivated him by giving him the experience of joy at the top. So her mother told him to go and see Akshat because Akshat is a very good guy. He always came top in his class. So slowly, Sushant started dreaming higher accordingly. He started working hard too. He started studying one lesson a day and now it became his regular habit. Then he started both studying and practicing in the same day. Thus he completed one chapter every day. Soon he ended his backlog of homework, went ahead of others in the classroom. Now when the teacher taught a lesson, Sushant was already familiar with that. Whenever teachers would ask something, he would answer it immediately. The other students were surprised with these changes. Means after doing so, Sushant will become a very good student and he started doing his all pending homeworks and he did very good in his class also. The result of this effort was reflected in the progress sheet. In his first unit test, Sushant had received grace marks. In his second unit test, he barely passed, and in the half tunnel examination, he secured satisfactory marks. And in the first assessment, he stood just behind Akshat. Means he has just give his effort and everything has been reflected in the progress sheet, means the mark sheet. And as you can see, he started from the grace marks, like very low marks. After that he just passed the exam. Thereafter he get the satisfactory marks and he good, and in the last he was just behind the Akshat. When prizes were distributed, he was also called to receive a prize. Akshat was given the Best Student Award and the trophy for highest scoring student. Sushant was given the Most Promising Upcoming Student of the Year prize. He was also given the trophy for standing second in the class. So it is very, like, it was a very marvelous moment for Sushant because he did very great. Then he felt it was very good to be honored. Akshat was the first to embrace Sushant. He also wished him to reach the top in the class. Then all the children praised Sushant for his hard work. His class teacher patted his back on in encouragement. When he reached home, he touched the feet of his mother. After all, it was she who prompted and motivated him to dream high and reach the top. So after that we can see that Akshat was also very uh, good guy. He also embraced Sushant to be at the top, and also Akshat has also wished him to reach the top in the class. And after doing so, not only Akshat but all the children started praising him, praising Sushant. And after that, the class teacher patted his back and tell him that yes, you are doing very great, you are a very good guy, and all. Thereafter, he reached home and touched the feet of his mother because she is the one who motivated him to dream high means just to think about higher so that he can reach at the top in the school. So, dreaming high alone is not enough. Our dream has to come true. We need goals to be achieved. We need the stamina and the strength to pursue our ideals. We not meet with success all the time. We may be discouraged and dejected when success comes very late. Means dreaming high alone is not enough. We have to keep patience also. We have to work hard for our dreams too. If we will dream that we will be a very good guy, or we will be the most powerful guy or anything, so whatever your dream is, you have to achieve it. You have to work hard for it. Sometimes you may be discouraged because your success will come late, but your success will come. It won't go anywhere. We need the help of our parents and fellow students and on other to keep us going. And not only that, we also need a back support from our parents and my fellow students and friends too. We need to have a plan which we would execute progressively and analyze periodically. Means dreaming high involves the effort of many people. It would not be possible to reach the summit of the Mount Everest all by oneself. Teams of people must be willing to help you out, even though they know that all the glory will be yours once you reach the summit. Such selfless love can be seen in our parents and real friends. We can always take their help. Means dreaming high will also involve the effort of many people, and just to reach at the Mount Everest, on the top of the Mount Everest, we have to do everything by ourselves. Team of the people must be there to share the glory, and they will also be there to show you the path, but you have to do everything by yourself. And the selfless love can be seen in our parents and real friends. Mean the selfless love, that means if we will do anything wrong, they will forgive us. So that kind of love is called selfless love. Our dream come true when only we learn how to make our dreams come true. Means just to achieve our dream, we first have to learn how to achieve that dream. Man's dream of reaching the moon become a reality because so many factors worked in its favor at that time. So in nowadays, man can reach on the moon. We can just see the moon and everything. So it has also started with a dream, and just time supported the dream. So many factors have been worked in the favor at that time, and after that we have not been able to repeat same feat again after a few initial success. Means if we just get a success, we just get the dream, after that we should not stop. We still need to learn and still need to grow more. So here we can see that the moral of the story is dream high and reach for the height. That's why to shine bright. Dream give you the inspiration that will make you reach perfection. Okay, so always keep in the mind that we should have to dream high for our goals, and also we should have to work hard for our dreams. So thank you. Bye.